Okay, folks, we're back. Another egg, another cool glass of water, egg in the water, and this time, folks, we're going for 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Well, we're going to add our secret ingredient. Let me show it to you. And the secret ingredient is salt. We're going to add 2 packs of salt to our water. Now, when we add the 2 packs of salt, you will be amazed. Now, before I put the egg in the microwave, I'll take it out. I'm just going to take a spoon and stir the water. Stir that salt up. Okay, stir the salt up. We are ready, but I'll show you I cleaned that microwave first. Okay, folks, cooks, experimenters, scientists, we are down to our last 51 seconds, and we will take a look at the egg. That egg is really boiling now. But you can see we have no explosion with the salt. The egg is doing just fine. Now we have passed 30 seconds. We are down to 20 seconds, 19 seconds, 18, 17, 16. And we are 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The microwave just shut off. We're done. I will take the egg out and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, we have opened the microwave door. We are now looking at the egg. As you can see, it's not broken. It's in great condition. It has boiled for 7 minutes. We're going to just let it sit in the hot water, cool off a little bit for 5 minutes, and then we'll come back and I'll show you the cracking, what this egg looks like. And by the way, I could have done it for 8 minutes. I could have done it for 10 minutes. Folks, I am not a scientist. I am not a chemist. I do not understand why this egg did not explode with the salt. If some of you are chemists or some of you are scientists, perhaps you can explain it to me. Remember the secrets? You have to cover the egg in water. It must be covered in water. And you also have to add the salt. You must add salt to the water. I don't know the exact amount you should add, but 2 packs works great, which is very little. 1/4 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon seems to work great. Now you might wonder, why all the fuss over 1 egg? Why boil 1 egg in the microwave? I don't even like boiled eggs. But my wife, she loves boiled eggs. She loves boiled eggs over scrambled eggs. She loves boiled eggs over eggs Benedict. She loves boiled eggs over easy over. Well, she won't even eat easy over. She loves boiled eggs. She can eat them for breakfast. She can eat them in salads. She just likes boiled eggs. I eat them occasionally, but I'm not a fan. So I learned to boil eggs in the microwave for her, so that when she wanted just 1 egg boiled, I could do it. How do I do it in a short time? 7 minutes. I'm done. The egg just cools off and she has a nice boiled egg. Okay, folks, this is our egg you cooked. And the water's pretty cool. I just took my finger out. Here's the unveiling of our egg. We will place it on the dip. Before you crack the egg, before I crack it and show you, I'll show you a little trick my wife taught me. I can tell the difference between a boiled egg and an unboiled. Well, a boiled egg, because it no longer has liquid, it will spin like a top. That's how you tell the difference. A boiled egg will spin like a top, where a regular egg will not, because the yolk and the liquid moves it around. Well, I replaced my decorative plates with just a regular plate, so you can see as I will crack it now and show you what it looks like. Okay, just like you would normally do, I'm going to crack the shell of the egg. My wife is much better at this than I am, but I will try to manage it for you folks. Okay, you can see as we crack the egg and unshell it. Like I said, I wish she were here. She could do it in one sweep. I'm not a boiled egg connoisseur. The only thing I really use eggs for is some potato soup and she crab soup. These type of eggs. But I'm going to stop and I'll show you when I'm finished. Okay, here's my egg. I roughed it up a little bit, taking the shell off because I did it for you so you can see it. But here's the egg, completely unshelled. I'll rest it on the plate and we will cut it. I'm going to use a cake knife. I'm going to cut it right in two. And you can see there's the yolk, there's the boil. It's completely boiled all the way through. It's not soft. This is nice and firm. The white, you can cut the white up, put it in a salad. That's what we will do with this egg. This egg will not go to waste. Sorry I had to waste one, but you can buy eggs right now in our area at Aldi's, a new restaurant. A new grocery store for 38 cents a dozen. That's what we do. And you can see the yolk cuts nice and clean as well. And that's what my wife wants from a boiled egg. So I'll put some plastic on this, put it in the refrigerator for her to use later for a salad, or she just wants to. There you have it, folks. Boiling eggs in the microwave, how to do it right. I'm glad I was able to show you how to do it